Good morning, beautiful souls. Welcome back to the Positivity Tribe, the space where we embark on a journey towards wellness, mindfulness, and stress relief. Today's video is specially crafted to kickstart your day with positive energy, helping you cultivate a sense of calm, focus, and well-being. So, find a comfortable space, take a deep breath, and let's dive into a morning ritual that nourishes your mind, body, and spirit. Begin by finding a comfortable, seated position or standing with your feet planted firmly on the ground. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, inhaling positivity and exhaling any tension. Repeat after me. I am grounded in this moment. I am centered in peace. Today is a gift, and I embrace it with gratitude. Bring your awareness to the present moment. Repeat this affirmations for mindful presence after me. I'm fully present in each moment. My thoughts are clear and my mind is at ease. I release worries about the past and future, focusing on the beauty of now. Let's cultivate self-love and acceptance with affirmations that nurture your inner being. Repeat after me. I am worthy of love and compassion. I accept myself completely, embracing my strengths and imperfections. Each day, I grow stronger, wiser, and more compassionate. As we move towards stress relief, take a moment to release any tension. Repeat this affirmations for relaxation. I release stress and welcome peace. My mind is calm and my body is relaxed. I am in control of my reactions and I choose tranquility. As you conclude this morning affirmation session, carry these positive vibes with you throughout your day. Remember, wellness is a journey, and you are taking the first steps towards a more mindful and stress-free life. Thank you for joining me today. If you have any specific affirmations or topics you'd like me to cover in future videos, let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. Wishing you a day filled with love, joy, and wellness. Until next time, stay mindful.